Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back and being a part of my little community and just showing my videos some love and joining me on my adventures, mostly back to Jamaica. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go ahead and do so. Yeah. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get informed every time I post something new. I also I want to say thank you to the persons who have been checking in on me because they think I'm in Jamaica because of my most recent videos. Thank y'all so much for checking in on me. I'm not in Jamaica. I'm in Florida now. I guess that's mainly because um, while I was in Jamaica, like I recorded a lot of content, but I didn't post them immediately. I didn't edit them immediately either because it takes time, especially for me. So some of those videos that I've shared recently are from a month ago or so, um, and or more than a month ago. The ones that I've already posted, and the upcoming ones are from like a month ago. So yeah, I'm not in Jamaica at the moment, but it is very unfortunate. Um, everything that's happening right now with Hurricane Melissa and um, the after effects, the aftermath, and you know the states of certain parishes in Jamaica right now. My heart goes out to St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Manchester. I think those were, and Clarendon. I think those were um, the parishes that were mainly affected. But my heart goes out to all of Jamaica because it's affecting all of us in Jamaica and the diaspora as well. But people, of course, we've already all started coming together and making it happen to show the people there that were mostly affected love. And it's gonna take some time because watching those videos and seeing those pictures, it's gonna take some time to get anywhere close to what it was before. But we'll get there. We'll rise again. But yeah, thank you to those people who reached out. Oh, okay. So while on that, I do want to say I will continue to post my Jamaica adventures videos. Um, I was thinking about it. Like, do I continue to post those videos? Is it would it be inconsiderate? Like, I had to think about it, and what I decided was to continue posting them because that's what we're trying to get back to, especially in certain parishes. The Jamaica that we can go home to whether it's to vacation or just be back home and enjoy everything that it has to offer. So I will continue to post those videos, but you'll also probably see videos of me currently in Florida. So one day or one week it might be a Jamaica video, and the next it might be a Florida video until I get all of my all of the Jamaica content posted out. It'll probably be like that. Also, I don't know. I hope you all also follow my second channel, T_Amoy_underscore TV on YouTube. Um, I'm gonna see how I can assist at all when I'm in Florida. I know there are some hurricane relief concerts coming up in Florida, and I'm gonna try my best to make it to those. That content will definitely be over on my TAmoiEvents TV channel. But if you follow my that brand channel on Instagram as well, TAmoiEvents and more, and Instagram, I've been sharing different organizations and businesses that are just collecting items and even ones that are on the ground already in Jamaica that you can contribute to. Do your due diligence and see what organizations sits well with your heart or what you feel is best for you and contribute to that. But I will continue sharing over on Instagram, and then the content that I share here as well will reflect what's going on with those events. So, yeah. This video that's coming up next, I was leaving Jamaica I'll tell you that I was leaving Jamaica because I left Jamaica and went back to Jamaica because it took a little adjusting. It took a little adjusting to be in Jamaica for a certain period of time. But yeah, I left, and at that time I felt like I wasn't gonna go back. Like I felt like I got what I needed because if you've been watching my videos, I wasn't sure where I was going to Jamaica in the first place. So I thought I had what I needed, but then following videos coming up, you'll see that I go back. So yeah, um, yeah. So just keep watching. Um, yeah, keep watching, keep tuning in, and thank you so much once again for continuing to support my channel. I'm almost at 1,000. So like, comment, and share. The likes, the comments, they actually help. So if you like my content or you just like me sharing a little bit of my life with you and my travels and everything, just make sure you like and comment under the videos. Yeah, stay interactive. All right, let's get into this video. Several days later.
Who are you?
Tell me why I'm starting a vlog and the people in the bathroom. Welcome to my channel, beautiful people, or welcome back. If you've been here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So, this is a random vlog that I'm starting at Brightline. I'm at the Brightline station in West Palm, and I'm waiting for my train, but had to change into sneakers. I'm coming from my goddaughter's recital. I wanted to make this one because I have never been to one, and yeah, she's been doing it for a while. Dance recital. So yeah, took the right line, came. It was a kind of hectic day in the rain. Missed my train, caught the second one. Had my cousin come pick me up, and he brought me to the school, to where the recital was happening. And now I'm back at Brightline. My friend dropped me back, and so yeah, got back comfy. Shoes over there. That's not my bag on the ground, but this is my shoe. Yeah. So getting back comfy so I could move around easily. I don't know where I'm gonna pick this back up, but I just wanted to start a vlog since I say I'm vlogging consistently.
What he's done?
Huh?
He's going.
I was just done with this regard.
Yeah, I'm not thinking that's what it was.
I was gonna call you.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Share the love with you, and then I think.
Oh gosh, I forgot. I'm gonna have to.
Look at that now.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it, figure it out. He'll know.
Yes, I will.
I carry these two. I have to put these down. The plastic bag. Yeah. Thank you.
Who's up Monday? Hey!
I'll put it
You
somewhere.
work more? You pick up more hours here?
Well, no. I'm trying to pick up more than that company does. You don't call me, I don't work. I'll just take the time off and relax. You didn't break out the wild shit.
Thank you.
At all times.
I'm reach back up right line.
Ambulance strollers, heavy luggage, or assistive devices, please use the elevators. Thank you for choosing.
Look at what's off that 7.
Buenas noches, pasajeros de Brightline. El
Daniel.
aeropuerto del tren 700 PM con destino a Miami con paradas en
Oh
Miami,
yeah, the group them wasn't
La aventura en la
like,
Vía comenzará
she was like
mañana.
number 14. Her one of her groups, like, let's just say, you can listen now or just call you back. Alright, let's finish the way I'm just that's
de asistencia, utilice los ascensores. Gracias por elegir Brightline.
Can I reach back up Brightline? No, West Palm. I'm gonna go wait for the train to go up. Yeah.
Good evening, Brightline guests. We are currently boarding the 7 p.m. train to Miami
Huh?
with stops in Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and Ventura
Yeah,
on
I
track
did
2.
just.
Good evening, Brightline guests. We are currently boarding the 7 p.m. train to Miami with stops in Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and Ventura on track 2. Please proceed downstairs to the platform and remain behind the yellow line at all times.
Buenas noches, pasajeros de Brightline. El abordaje del tren 7 por PM
con destino a Miami por paradas en Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale y Aventura en la Vía 2 ya está.
Code 6 2D. Down further?
The ladies are going to use this door down here, okay? The next door down, okay? The next door down.
Or at the ends of each coach. Store smaller baggage and personal items in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Restrooms are located near the exits. As a reminder, smoking or vaping is strictly prohibited on all Brightline properties. For the safety and comfort of all guests, please follow all posted signs, code of conduct policies, and train attendant instructions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety information booklet located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Please wear headphones when playing audio or talking on the phone. Scan the QR code at your seat to order food, beverages, and travel items delivered to you. Menus are also located in the seat back pocket. Thank you for choosing Brightline and enjoy the ride.
Bienvenido a Brightline.
I think that's Amtrak. I think it's long. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Finally. I think that was the Amtrak. Excuse me. Good night. Quick question. Do you know if there's a shuttle that goes to the Atlantis parking lot?
Yes, it comes by here, but I'm not sure like
How
many
often?
minutes. I'm not sure,
But it
but
goes
I've seen it like 4 times.
already. Is there a time that it stops? Do you know that or no?
I don't think it stops. It goes on till about 12.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Normally I would just walk right across there and that's where I park. And I just go. But today, because I was running late, I missed my train and the parking lot was full. This parking lot that I normally use. So I'm parked all the way over there. And so I don't want to walk in the dark all the way over there like I did earlier. So I'll wait a little bit, and if 5 minutes goes by and it doesn't come, then I'm leaving. Then I'll walk. Maybe the girl I sweat because it did rain earlier. Let me just speed walk. Let me just speed walk. The moon looks so nice. So lovely. Ooh. I think that's the shuttle. Atlantis. Me see shuttle just now. It's right there. But me already a walk. Oh shoot, me never realized that there was this body of water here so. Cause anything can Huh? I never realized this today. Oh yeah, over here so soaked with rain. Rainwater. Yeah, I know I did I fall when me I come here too. Alright, I reached the lot. It's right there.